Sorry. Okay. So this is a case of chronic otitis externa. Now the dog, the treatment of this very bad infected pus inside the ear canals and smelly, painful ear is by ear irrigation. Now to do that, the dog has to be sedated first. So now to sedate the dog, so just like I taught the intern, either you use tourniquet or your finger is quite strong, and you can feel the vein here. So once you feel the vein here, then the vet will inject. Either that or use a tourniquet. Where's the tourniquet? You use a tourniquet, but don't shave the hair. Don't shave the hair. Best is not to shave the hair. Where's the tourniquet you put in?
Down there. Second drawer. Yep.
So we're going to put the tourniquet around. So what you round behind the elbow. Just undo tightly, very tightly, and normally tightly, and then tie, and then you apply alcohol. You wet it. You can see the then put your hand here, and you can feel it. You part the hair, and you can feel the vein there. Then you inject the sedation, in this case Domitor plus ketamine, 0.4 Domitor and 0.5 ketamine IV, and then the dog is sedated, as you can see now, and it's 50% of the calculated dose for this 24 kg. Now we go to here. Now the dog is not really 100% down, so we will top up with the isoflurane gas, closed circuit. The rate is closed circuit. You can zoom into it. Closed circuit is red. I put at 2% as the maintenance dose or top up dose, and the flow rate about 1 liter per minute. The oxygen flow rate, okay, and there's an oxygen generator where they generate oxygen from the air rather than the cylinder. There is a cylinder, string light. Okay, so now put the cone in, then we'll just check the blinking reflex. Come, check the blinking reflex. Once the blinking reflex is gone, then I will do the ear irrigation. Now the thing is, you can see the back, the rebreathing back. You can see the rebreathing back. Although it's closed circuit, but the rebreathing back is moving very well. Now, so I don't think it's really closed. If it's closed, the back will fill up. Let's see change the red one to a bit, turn a bit more. Maybe it's not closed. Turn some more. Focus on what we are doing. Don't go and sleep now. So if it's really closed, then the back, breathing back wouldn't be moving because it will be inflated. So turn some more. Turn the red one to a stage where it doesn't. This one is more closed. I see the back should be full unless there's a leak. Okay, so now we look at this, check and see, and then we will start to do the ear irrigation already. At 2% maintenance dose, I will just demonstrate that a bit. Is it down, blinking?
Still blinking.
Okay, so you can see the ear is pretty bad. You see, this is since 5 years ago. The first time I do ear irrigation was 5 years ago, and the owner treated it with occasional ear drops and so on and so forth, but it's got worse. I can see there the ulcers, the pus, and but just take the cotton bud and show the pus. Cotton bud. You can see that it's really bad. You see, it would be painful without the anesthetic. You see even blood there. This is really bad. That's why the owner comes. Now the right ear also similarly painful, but we are doing the left ear first. Okay, so we put at 2.5%. If it's not a bit 2.5, that's the maintenance dose. Okay, so this is a cone, oxygen, I don't know whether oxygen is full or not. Maybe put to 1. Normally I use 1 or 2. Yeah. Okay, ready. So just demonstrate the irrigation. Come here first. Now, the air irrigation is actually just use clean water, put it there, and then just 45 degrees, and probably 20 ml syringe. So just irrigate the pus out. Then the pus comes out. You can see the dirt. You see the debris. There's a lot of debris here coming out. So I just use a tissue to clean up. So the best is, of course, to flush it out as much as you can. All the debris, you see that the dog can't get it out and owner can't get it out because it's painful. Now you can see it's really bad. So I'm going to do some more. Okay, irrigation, 45 degrees. You need the anesthetic, otherwise the dog will be very painful. Yeah. There is it coming out. You can see here. So at 45 degrees, the more come out here. And then massage the vertical canal. This one lift out a bit. This lift out a bit. Tilt out a bit. So we tilt out a bit. Now we open and tilt. Okay, anyway, I will start. I'll put it this side here. You see more debris coming out. Okay. So there's no point for the vet to go and put ear drops and just clean the ear canal from it does sedation. It does sedation, and hopefully that to clear the debris with cotton wool and forceps. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so it's really quite a bit of force, not just slow one. Now you can see more debris coming out there, more debris. Okay, so 45 degrees, this is the ear canal. As such, the dog doesn't feel the pain because of the gas anesthetic. And this is really a bad case. Normally I just do 10 times. Okay, so and get rid of the pus first, and all the debris. You can see the cloudiness. Pus. Okay. This by zoom can no need to put the camera nearby. That's how I use the zoom. That's the purpose of the zooming. Okay, so I do 20 times. There is 61. Now I reduce to 1% because the dog is no more. It's much more anesthetic. Okay, come. And you can see it's really inflamed, very badly inflamed. Okay, so further up a bit.
Further up.
No, I don't want the water to go to the camera. Okay. The horizontal canal is the one causing the trouble, but so we try to syringe out the dirt. See the water becomes clearer, and then I just check with the cotton bud here. So it should be much. There should be no pus coming out. Be much cleaner, you see, much cleaner. But so that the owner can continue with his eardrop, but there's still blood because of ulceration. But definitely it's much cleaner as compared to, so I do another 5 more. Then I'll go to the next ear. Some more. And as you can see, there's no point using some commercial ear drops and all this. Some vets will do that, but for me I prefer clean water and so that there won't be any chemicals going inside the ear affecting the ulcers. You see the ulcers are there. There's some more debris. Now you cannot do 100%. So after 3 weeks of medication and treatment will be to do the cutting here, cut out the wall here, cut the rectangular piece here. That's called the lateral ear canal resection. Throw away this wall, this cartilage, and the whole vertical canal will be opened up because you cut this rectangular piece of cartilage off. Okay, I'm going to finish this and then I go to the other ear. Of course, you got to do the vigorous rubbing, hoping to dislodge the debris in the horizontal canal. Okay, finish. So now I'm going to turn over the other side. Wait, stop really, can I?
Stop.